Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is November 27 and the chart of the day we're looking at here is silver right now. 60 minutes time frame, looking very strong, rallying higher and getting close to take out the previous peak here, 54.38, which is the all-time high this year. Okay, and we are calling it basically it has already started the next leg up, even though we have not taken out the previous peak, but I think very unlikely to reverse again or to do a double correction at this stage. Okay, so as long as we stay above that last low we got on November 21st, we should be able to rally again eventually into the end of the year into new all-time high while it stays above 48.6. Now so it's pretty simple. We got this with 1, this with 2. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. This is your with 1 and with 2 right here. 1 and 2, right? So let me zoom out. So we got this double top pattern here, but then now it's ready to reverse again and eventually break to new high. So from the target on the upside is very simple. Just simply measure 100% extension here. We should be going to at least 57.4. Now it is a wave 3 after all from 28 October, so it can potentially even go to 63 for example, which is the 1.618. okay, so it can continue to actually rally higher and it will be a pretty explosive rally here. So very simple. We don't like selling in any event. We continue to like the long side and we continue to like buying the dips right now in 3711 swing and then target higher minimum is 57.4 or a lot higher, and that's only with 3, but we are talking about short term. Minimum target is 57.4. Alright guys, so if you want to get more updates on silver or any other commodities, Forex, stocks, ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. We'll see you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.